close your eyes and just take few deep breaths. And relax your shoulders, your neck. Relax your whole face. Relax your arms, your fingers, your hand. Relax your whole back, whole of your spine, upper and lower back. And relax your diaphragm. Just drop your diaphragm. Just relax. Relax your abdomen area, your pelvic area, your hips, your legs. Just relax the whole body. Imagine yourself in a beautiful garden, the most beautiful garden you have ever seen. You create your own garden and put there everything that you love. All kinds of flowers, trees, there are butterflies, birds. Grass is greenest grass you have ever seen. Pathways, beautiful place to sit, like a beautiful bench or a rock. Just create the way you like it. Now bring your awareness to your heart while you're in this beautiful garden. Just relax your body and breathe slowly and deeply while you're focusing on your heart. This is the heart energy center, center of your chest. And take in the beauty of this garden into your heart. So let your heart open, heart energy center, really open. And now in your mind's eye, tune into your body and set the intention to ask your body, what do you need? What can I do for you? And see where your awareness goes in your body. And whatever comes first in your mind is the right answer. And there is no wrong way or right way of doing this. Wherever your attention goes, that is right for you at this moment. So you can imagine that there is a ball of energy, like ball of light, in that part of the body where your awareness just went. And just imagine as if you're scooping this ball of energy from that part of the body scooping it out, and it's in your hand, this ball of energy. And in your mind's eye, without opening your eyes, see what this ball of energy looks like. Tune into this. Just set your intention and see what's in there. There may be heavy feelings, long time forgotten emotion, or memory of an event. Or it could be just feeling of pain or feeling of discomfort. Just tune into that. And try to understand what is that energy communicating with you. Maybe there's guilt that you need to let go. Maybe there's anger or resentment, whatever it is in this ball of energy. The idea is to understand. And once you feel that, okay, this is what's going on, now imagine that there is a fountain of light in front of you. And then just throw this ball of energy that you scooped out of your body. Just throw it there. And it will cleanse the ball of energy. Whatever it is, could be negative emotions, thoughts, any memory of certain trauma of past, whatever it is. See that this ball is being cleansed with this fountain of light. And then just let it go. The ball of light just gets transmuted. Now again, kind of scan your body again. Just tune into your body again and see where your awareness goes. Because you have this particular question about your health condition or life situation. So again, tune into your body. And you can repeat the same exercise. Just scoop out that ball of energy that's stuck in that part of your body. Take it out. Again, bring it into your hands and look at it in your mind's eye. Try to understand what is there. Is there a heavy feeling? Is there a trauma? Is there a dissatisfaction, resentment, whatever it is? Once you understand that, just throw this ball of light into this fountain of light and let it be cleansed and let it get transmuted. So you can repeat on your own as many times as you need. Then you can also tune into your body. If there's any health condition you're concerned about, just tune into your body. What do you need? Do you need certain minerals? Do you need certain foods? Just tune into your body. Your body knows. All we have to do is pay attention. Bring the awareness from our heart and ask our body. And make a mental note what came to your mind. Maybe you need to eat certain food or avoid certain food. Or maybe you need more rest. Maybe you're not sleeping enough. Maybe you're not going to nature enough, connecting with the nature. Or maybe you're not laughing enough. Or maybe all of those. We need all of these. We need to sleep. We need to rest our body. We need laughter. We need love. So everything that's coming to your mind, just make a mental note. Now send the love from your heart energy center to your entire body. Just set the intention, the energy will go. And if there's anything physical came to your mind, like you need to eat certain food or avoid certain food or whatever physically needs to be done, make a mental note and you can do it later. Now bring your awareness back to your heart center and imagine a globe in front of you, like planet Earth in front of you. And imagine that all the people who are going through the same physical, emotional, mental, or life situation like you are, all those people as points of light are there around this globe. Just imagine them. You don't need to know exactly where they are. It's just the intention that all those people in the same situation as you are shown to you as points of light around this planet Earth. And from your heart, send this energy and send this intention that all these people be healed. All these people receive what they need. Maybe they need inner courage, inner strength to go through this difficult situation in their life. It could be that they need some medical assistance or any herbal or any kind of alternative healing assistance, whatever they need. Just set the intention that they receive it. The right person shows up in their life, maybe the right book, right person who knows, the right doctor or right healer, whatever they need. And see that they're all receiving what they need and they are getting better. Their situation is improving. Their physical health is improving. Whatever situation you are in, just imagine that that is being solved in their life. Whatever problem, whatever health situation is being healed, being solved in all these points of light around the earth. From your heart, just send this love, gratitude, healing energy, laughter energy. And see that these, just in your mind's eye, set this intention that all these points of light are receiving this intention from your heart and they are being helped, they are being healed, their problems is being solved. Now let this visual go and bring your awareness back to your heart. And feel the happiness right now you're feeling that you just helped so many thousands of people with your intention. So feel that feeling of satisfaction, feeling of this happiness, almost this feeling of joy in your heart. And the gratitude that you got this opportunity to do this beautiful service to the people of the world. Just be aware of your heart, be aware of your whole body. And take your time. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes.